Hey guys, so today we are going to get into how I ship and package my orders. So these are my postcards. I do include them in every order. They just have my logo in the front, and in the back I have just thank you for your order, and I put my customer's name. These are the samples that are included in every order. And for this order, they ordered the Uka Juicy candle. They ordered one, and the shipping would be $7.50. So we're going to create that shipping label. We're going to choose the package type, which I have preset, and we're going to choose on that candle. The package weight for all of my candle orders, when it's just one, is 1 pound, and they did ship with priority mail. So we're just going to go ahead and continue to pay for that shipping label at home, and we're going to submit the purchase. Then we're going to print out the shipping label and make sure that the address is covered. This is the grass that I use to fill my my boxes with. I really love these grass decor. It really goes with my business. This is the Uka Juicy candle, and it is such a nice smelling candle. This actually means pussy juice in Swahili. So it is a really popular candle, and it smells amazing. This is what it looks like. These are the matches that come in every order as well. The matches will match the color of the candle as far as the labeling, and it is a full box of matches. Don't have to worry about finding a lighter. It's already included in there. This is a sample that's going into this order. And Lauren is our customer today, so we're going to go ahead and write Lauren on the back of the postcard and include it into the order. We're going to add a business card and a sticker. And I think this packaging is just so beautiful when you open it. It's probably one of the best that I've come to have for my business. And then we're just going to go ahead and paste that shipping label on the box, as well as that sealed with love sticker. I really do love that. It adds like a little loving touch to the shipment. And of course, that handle with care, because we do not want these boxes thrown around. We're going to tape the edges and we're done.